All right, today I'm making a super quick video on how to repair or unclog your AC drain tube. If you don't know what that is, that's okay. 1 second, I'll get to that. So I drive a Toyota Tacoma pre-runner, and the other day when I was driving, my AC wasn't really working very well, and I heard a lot of like sloshing of water in this general area. So after some research, I was told that I needed to check my fan blower motor. That is in here, and I'll show you real quick what I found. I don't have the video, obviously I'm doing this after the fact, but I'll show you what I found. It's really embarrassing. And here's what it looks like now after I put a new air filter in. So yeah, obviously very different. There was some serious debris in there, and it was obviously clogging up my drain tube. Which essentially what that means is when there's condensation in there, that water needs a place to go, and my drain tube was clogged. So it was just going right back into the actual unit, which is not what you want. And I did already fix this, but this is essentially what's gonna happen. You're gonna take an air compressor. I'm gonna show you where to find the tube. You're gonna blow a little bit of air in that air compressor, and it will unplug the tube. So in my Toyota pre-runner, it is right here. So that's simple. You just pull that out, blow a little bit of air into there, and it unclogged it right away. You either should have a bucket on this side or be able to put it right back through this hole and plug it like that, and the water will obviously drain right underneath the car. I just wanted to show you guys this simple fix because a mechanic told me that it was gonna cost upwards of $400 to $500, and it was gonna take about 2 days. And I came home, did some research, found a few videos, did it myself. So best of luck. Shoot me a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, see you later.